The heart says eat healthy, but mind doesn't allow it. So it is very common sense that if you eat healthy, you live healthy, which helps to keep your body physically and mentally fit. This all makes you disease free, right? But what is happening actually? What is that stopping many people from not going healthy, not going eating healthy, not eating nutritious food? So why is it so? What is stopping them? See, the food that you consume get assimilated into your body and becomes part of your body. It decides how you think, how you live, how you talk, how you uh, act, anything you do, right? But food that you eat can either heal you or harm you. So, what is your choice actually? What do you want actually? Whether you want to take food that harms you or heal you. So, what do you want? Please type in the comment box. Let me see actually what are the various answers that we get actually. Okay, let us deep dive into the secrets of why people are not able to maintain consistency when coming to healthy eating. See, number one secrets I would say is misleading and confusing information. See, everywhere now it is overloaded with information, right? So, YouTube or digital world, anything if you take, even the public media, if you take, everything is loaded with misleading information or confusing information, right? So one says rice is good, other one says is rice is not good. One says carbohydrate, take it more. Other says take carbohydrate less and fat more. Lot of confusing information, right? People doesn't know which one to follow, which one to leave, right? And also, the second one could be people expect instant result, right? So when they take food, uh, when they are on diet, they want to lose 5 kg immediately, right? So over the period of 1 week. See, it takes some time to hit the healthy goal depending on what you eat, right? And there's no one miracle natural food that can help you out to get an instant result. The third secret would be obviously everybody knows, right? So it's no time. People doesn't have time to uh, eat healthy food, or even they don't have time to. They are not giving time to eat. See, as much as we are having priority on your own work, the time has to be given to for eating as well, healthy eating, right? You have to be very conscious about what you eat and how you eat and uh, how it get assimilated into your body, right? We have to spend time. Comforting food. See, when people stress out, what they do actually, they go for ice cream or some sugary food or chocolate to cool them, right? Or to stress them. But eventually, what happens actually? It's in short term it will help, but what happens in the long term actually? It eventually it harms their own body, right? So it will negatively impact their bodies. Fifth one would be convenience, right? See, we are not uh, getting time to cook our own food actually. We want to outsource our cooking to somebody else actually. And you won't know how they cook, what all the ingredients get added into that, right? Definitely, the taste of the food outside will be very good, right? Obviously, right? So otherwise, the customer won't go to that particular outlet, right? um, see, the effort they put on cooking their own food, uh, it's not happening actually. Say the reason is convenience, right? So it's just a food they want to get, any food they want to get, just a phone call away. Okay, so we saw all the secrets. Then what is how to make ourselves healthy actually, or how to start eating healthy actually. It all depends on your mindset, right? So all depends on your attitude. See, if you set a goal, it can be the simple goal, right? So I can let you know few steps, right? So you have to align your mind and set a healthy goal and move step by step. Actually, maybe you can start with uh, not munching any junk snacks in between meals. Instead of that, go for take one carrot and start eating actually. So that will stop you from craving for any junk food in the between meals, right? Or take some handful of nuts. Second thing, what you can do is you can slowly move away from refined sugar and start eating natural one. Then you can think of making your own desserts, right? Your own sugary, natural dessert instead of getting some sugary dessert from outside or ice cream. See, it's difficult. We all know actually, but if you set a goal and move towards the goal, ensure that every day you make one step forward towards the goal, then definitely it can be achieved, and it's a worth repeated attempt, right? Hope you will follow this simple step and ensure that you eat healthy and be healthy. Change your mind bit, then everything will go all right. So that you can be not a one-time healthy eater. Can be you can follow it consistently. All the best. If you found this video useful, then please do comment and share. If you have any of comments on healthy eating, please put in the comment box. And thank you for watching this video until the end. I'll be sharing lots such information, useful information, which you may be liking it. And until next time, take care and cheers. Bye bye.